Namaste everybody, I am the Great Emperor and I'm in Mysore right now. And the weather's quite pleasant and it's raining outside, like drizzling. And so it's Dasara now. And Dasara in Mysore is the best place you want to be in Dasara because all the lightings and everything. So this is the third day of Dasara. And on the first day of Dasara, which is on like my Wednesday or something, we had went in a double-decker bus called Ambari and we saw all the lightings. But unfortunately, I was not able to take the video and use it. So today we have come here with a reason to see Anegala Talimu, which means in English the elephant practice. Or they so as you know, they do not just bring an elephant and like keep it in the Ambari. They bring an elephant from the forest in August and train them in August bring them to Mysore and train them from August, September, and on October, on the day of Vijayadashmi, they will do a procession with the golden chariot in which Lord Goddess Chamundeshwari will be in it. So yeah, that's so right now elephant, like the Talimu went from here till Bunny Mantap Road, near Bunny Mantap, I mean. From there it will be coming back. So we thought some police guard told that we have to go to Bunny Mantap because it will be coming back, but turns out that while we were just coming here, we just saw the elephant's procession, and unfortunately I was able to cover it, but it got deleted. I don't know why I deleted it myself, because it got stopped. So now yeah, it's gonna come back to go back to the Mysore Palace. So I'm gonna take coverage of that, and let's see. So it turns out that it's going to be 30 more minutes for the elephants to come back. So by then I'll be just showing a bit of the lighting. So yeah, come on. So as you can see here, so it's in the morning, so you can't see it lighted, but you can see how the place has been decorated. This is all light bulbs, single light bulbs, and there's probably thousands and thousands of them all around Mysore, lighting up our beautiful Mysore. So yeah, as you can see, they've made an archway kind of thing there. So they're gonna light it up. So they're gonna light all of these bulbs up, and it looks super beautiful in the night time. So if you are anytime here in Mysore and it happens to be Dasara, just drive a car around. So
around the city.
Yeah, around the city. So that's my camera woman, I think. Camera woman Vaishnavi, who also has a YouTube channel called Twinternet. So go on and check out her video. She and her brother, that guy, you can see him vlogging also, and that's my mother. Anyways, so you can see him vlogging there. So yeah, so if you see him vlogging, he and camera woman Vaishnavi, who is behind the camera, both have a YouTube channel called Twinternet, which means like how the internet is interconnected. They're like they both are twins, so their brotherhood and sisterhood are both connected. So yeah, that's it. So go subscribe them too.
Thank you very much.
So from here you can see the like archway kind of thing which they've made. It's much clearer from here. So yeah, from there if you see very far away, Can you see that faintly? Yeah, that's the Chamundi Betta. And yeah, in the next video, Vaishnavi, who's the camera woman here. So
I'm actually his cousin.
yeah, she's my cousin also. She, I mean, yeah. So she is going to be climbing that, and she's gonna vlog it too, right?
You guys have to come to my channel if you want to see that.
Yeah. Probably I will be doing that, or probably I will not be doing that. I don't know. Yeah. So we are in front of the Kaveri Emporium, and we are all here to watch. And this is Vishal.
Hi.
He come both here. So these two people have a channel called Twinternet, and I was saying why the name Twinternet. Yeah, both share a very good videos. So both are very talented in violin also. So their latest video, which is a violin video, they played some Notus Swarams, I think, in their YouTube video, and it got very famous. They got 136 views for it and lots of subscribers. So yeah, there's gonna be another video according to my like stuff. So she's telling something.
507 views also.
Okay, cool. So yeah, so they both are gonna send a history of violin. So yeah, so they're gonna be, so your viewers are gonna say hi to my viewers, and my viewers are gonna say hi to your viewers. Hello, on behalf of all my viewers, hello.
My cousin brother. He holds
Okay, I'm gonna stop it 1 second. So now the news has spread that the Anegada Talimu is coming back. So yeah, it's coming back. I can see the police vans. When it comes near here, I shall show. So the elephants have arrived here. So there are some stuff which are very cool. So this is the police van which is patrolling them. So you can see the elephants here. So you see that jeep there. So you see this jeep.
That is the magnetic.
This is the magnetic wheel which picks up anything which is fallen. So you see this. The elephant. So the people who are riding the elephants are called as Mahutas or elephant whisperers. See, they are so disciplined. They walk in a straight line without getting disturbed into so many places. So this is how disciplined they are. They are so disciplined here. So yeah. So yeah. There are so many elephants. So as I told, this is the elephant practice, and you can see this ambulance, which is if something happens to these elephants, they're here to take care of it. Okay, that's it. So it ends it. So yeah, that's it. Next footage will be in the car. So the elephants here. Have you ever seen anywhere elephants just walking around here? Like, I mean, they're so disciplined. So that's all the hard work they put into it for them to be so disciplined. So as you can see, we decided to trail behind the elephants, but we have to turn here because many people are horning and disturbing it. So you can see the elephants there. Yeah. So they're going around the circle and going back to the palace. So now we're going to Mahesh Prasad to eat set masala dosa for breakfast. So you can see Guru Sweet Mart here. That's where Mysore Pak was invented. So yeah, that's the elephants here. You can see the elephants here.
ಮೊದಲನೇದಂತೆ ಗಂಡ
There you can
ಮಿಕ್ಕಿದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ
see.
ಹೆಣ್ಣಾನೆ
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲ
So
ಮಧ್ಯ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ
we're just going away.
ಇವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ
So now we're going in.
ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಹಾಕಿದಾರಣ್ಣ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ
So
ಅದು
we are going in
ಅಲ್ವಾ
Devarajaras Road. So here lots of lighting. So in the evening we'll come here too. Strangely, the Ambari didn't come here, even though there's lots of lighting here than the places where the Ambari
Because
went.
there was standing in the Ambari, and if they stand, this light will
Oh
hit
yeah,
the head.
this is very low here.
It is very long that it is almost touching the bar.
Yeah. So this is a bow, which is showed in a form of a gateway. So we have arrived in near Mahesh Prasad, a great place to eat dosa with sambar. So as I said, now we're in Mahesh Prasad. Anyways, so we're in Mahesh Prasad, and so we're gonna eat food and go back home. That's it. And for the evening, I'll make a shot of Devarajaras Road, fully lighted up. It's gonna be very beautiful. Yeah. Stay tuned for that shot, and that's it for now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.